Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at how to start Amazon affiliate marketing with no money. And not only no money, you don't need any skills for this, you definitely don't need any experience, and pretty much everything I'm going to be sharing with you, you can get this up and running literally within the next hour. This isn't difficult, all it will take on your behalf is a little bit of consistency, because any which way you look at this, without a doubt, in my humble opinion, affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online and from home. Because ultimately, you can get started with this pretty much right off the bat, unlike many other methods to make money online. So look, if you want some free resources for learning more about affiliate marketing, just come over to my blog, click on here, and you can find lots down here. I'll share case studies on here, free courses, and lots more. But essentially, we're going to be looking at Amazon today. So let's come over onto the affiliate program and I'll share with you some earnings, to prove that what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, I do this myself. Now, over on Amazon, if you don't know, basically, affiliate marketing is the process whereby you can recommend and share a product or a service. If somebody purchases that, then you earn an affiliate commission. Now, Amazon will allow you to become a partner. You can also go over to eBay and Etsy, and thousands more companies have an affiliate program. So this is over inside of which one is this? This is over on the US side, because Amazon have the US, the UK, and many more. What on earth is that like? Let me get rid of that. So this is over inside of my Amazon US account. Now you can see here, so far this year, I've earned $232.49, and I've also earned an additional $4 in commissions. So you can see the earnings here every single month. Now look, these numbers are not huge by any stretch of the imagination. That's purely because when it comes to Amazon affiliate marketing, I'm relatively lazy with this because it's not something I focus a lot of time on, and we'll come on to that in a little while. But one of the cool things about Amazon affiliate marketing is, if I scroll down here, I just want to show you this. So we've got up here, look, we've got clicks, so that means people who have clicked a link which I have shared or recommended, the number of items which have been ordered, number of shipped items, returned, conversion rate. I mean, look at this, $7,188, and from that I earned $232. That's one reason why I don't focus too much on Amazon affiliate marketing. However, that being said, if I scroll down here, these are all of the different products which people have bought, and you can see here the total revenue, which is how much it cost those, and how much income or commission I was paid for doing so. Now, the great thing about this is, if you recommend a product on Amazon and someone clicks on that link and they go and purchase that, you earn a commission. The other thing is, if they purchase anything else in a 24-hour time period, you also earn a commission for that too. So it's pretty cool. So if I come down here, in fact, let me show you where these commissions have come from. So I'll come over here. Now, these commissions have come over from this website here. And today, in this video, I'll share with you two different methods. So we'll look at the website method, and we'll also look at another method, which is probably going to be something which I'll move into myself, and you can earn a lot more from this. But the commissions have come from this website here in the fly niche, how to kill flies. So if I come back over onto Amazon, this one here. So if I scroll down the page here, you can see, look, let's find one. So look here, so no, not that one, sorry. Trying to find something to do with flies. Oh look, here's one. Look, so electronic insect killers. So someone's purchased this for $17 and I earn 50 cents commission. But then look at some of the other things what people are purchasing. I mean, what on earth is, I don't even know what half of this is, and yet I still earn a commission. I mean, look at this here, someone's bought some ground black pepper and I've earned 4 cents. It's awesome, isn't it? Because literally I'm just earning whilst they're doing their their normal online shopping over on Amazon. And literally, look here, here's another one, fly window traps, $9.49, how much I earn. And then look, whilst I'm on here, someone else has bought some children's Claritin, so something else, and other things. So hopefully, we keep our fingers crossed, people click on links and then do the normal shopping, and we can earn commissions as well. So these are some of the different examples. I mean, look at this, what on earth is that? I mean, half of this stuff I don't even have. I mean, chili powder, and again, I mean, that's some expensive chili powder, and again, I'm earning from this. So these are some of the earnings from Amazon. Now, the way how you're actually making a lot more money with Amazon is you would pick out products whereby you can earn a better commission. So this is over on the actual affiliate program, and you can see here they break it down into a product category and how much you can expect to earn. So the highest they currently pay is 10%, and this is in the luxury beauty luxury stores and Amazon coins, and even though that was a thing. And then you can go down here. So most people are in around this sort of price bracket here, the 2.5%. And then, further down here, we've got 1%. So the commissions that you can earn from here, they're not huge, but they do add up. And if you set this up correctly, it can bring you in a passive income. So how do you go about doing this with zero money? Well, there's two methods that you can use, and we'll look at those today. So the first one is this over here. So this is obviously, it's a website all about killing flies, and I'll share with you a couple of tips on this. So all of these articles on here, let me just go into one. So for example, small biting flies. On here, people are landing on this website here because they're either interested in, some of these products here, or they just, they just want to get rid of flies. So in terms of the content, if I scroll down here, you can see this content, it doesn't take long to do at all or create this. But if I come back up here, I want to give you something, if you are going to go down this route, just a really simple tip for this. So if I grab this here, it says small biting flies. We'll open this up into Google like so. And you can see here, look, currently 2,400 people a month are actually searching this exact search term. Okay, there's quite a lot of people in there. So what's happening is people are putting this into Google. Now, if I scroll down here, you can see here we've got related keywords. So look, flies that bite. So whenever you're creating any of this content, you want to use related keywords. Or you can also go down here and see what people are searching for, and then we have something called long tail keywords, small biting flies and other bits. So you want to be including relevant keywords in your article. So look, flies that bite. If we go back over here, flies that bite. So, I'm saying to Google, this article is related to, small biting flies, flies that bite. And this is the whole process of when you're creating content, you want to be including what are known as these keywords. And the other thing as well is, you see this, people do ask, you can include this, and other bits on here. So that's a really simple method. But in terms of creating these websites or blogs on here, it's not hard at all. In fact, I said to you, you can do this for free. So I'm going to drop a link below for you. It will take you over to this page here. This is called Wealthy Affiliate. Now, I've been a member of this for a number of years. The reason why I use it and I recommend it, it shows you how to transform your ideas into profit. But the best part is, if you scroll down here, look, you can build beautiful profit-ready websites, no design skills needed. And if you scroll down here, it literally takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful looking mobile website. It's pretty cool because basically they have templates and you can just play around with them until you're happy with this. But here's the cool thing, not only will they allow you to build a website for free, they'll show you how to drive traffic to your content, and it also integrates with Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and many more. So that's method number one, which is literally whereby you can create a blog or a website like this, and you can create review articles, you can create normal articles, and basically we're trying to get our content to rank on the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, or Brave, or whichever browser you're using, and we include affiliate links inside of our content here, and then people click on this, they go over to Amazon, fingers crossed, they purchase the product, and whilst they're there, they will do a bit of online shopping, and we'll earn some more commissions. Okay, so that's method one, which is creating these niche websites. And honestly, if you just go on here and we'll just type in, let's just type in best laptop, for example, best laptop. And I mean, look, here's some more ideas for you. Best laptops 2021, best laptops for students, best laptop, etc., etc. So let's just go with this one. Best laptops under $500. I can guarantee you, any one of these websites we're going to, let's just go in the first one. In fact, I'll open up to 1, 2. I can guarantee, I'll bet this house on it, that they have Amazon affiliate links. Let's click on I accept. Scroll down here. So look, this is the headline, the best budget laptops under $500. Inside of here, we will have related keywords. Look, best budget laptop to buy. Scroll further down the page, look, Amazon. Come down here, Amazon, Amazon, etc. And then all they're doing here is, look, come down here, we have an image. Come down here, a bit of information. Now the cool thing is, all of this information here, you can get this from Amazon, from the listings. Come further on the page, look, Amazon, Curry. These here are affiliate links. And this is literally the process, what people are doing. And what I'm doing, or what I've bought basically. So this is one website. I mean, this website over here, this is a huge website. Let's go to the other one that we opened. Let's just click on this website over here. Let's click on agree. Best laptops under £500. Scroll further on the page. Look, let's just keep going. Amazon. Come further down. Again, Amazon. So if I click on there, and it takes me over to Amazon, it has a tracking link back to that person, and literally if I was to purchase this now, they would earn an affiliate commission. Now the great thing about creating these like websites like this one over here, or the first one that we looked at, or even indeed the little one that I've got created, which I've closed now, around the fly niche, you can find people who are interested in products in any category or any niche. But once you've created this content, it becomes evergreen content. So basically, you don't have to do any more work with this. You create this, and if you structure your articles correctly, like they will show you over here, well, for the affiliate platform, you can be earning money for many months and years down the line. So that's method number one, is creating websites, and you can make this as broad or as specific as you like. Now, the other thing, what I've been looking into a lot lately, and is probably the best way to go with this moving forward, is if I come over onto YouTube, and I'll show you this now, we'll come on here and we'll just go with the same thing. So you can see on here, I've just typed in best laptop. I mean, just that there, best laptop, 246,000 people a month are searching for that search term. But if I click on here and just click the spacebar, look, it's giving me more ideas. Look, best laptop 2021, 135,000 people a month are searching for this, and all of these other key, I mean, look at that, best laptop for students, 90,000 searches a month. Now don't worry when I'm saying YouTube, I don't expect you to get on camera and be talking and other bits. You don't have to. Okay, so we'll scroll down here. I just want to share with you a couple sorts of channels here. They're making a hell of a lot of money. I mean, look at this one here, 1 million subscribers. This one here, 582,000, etc. Now, if we come down here, we'll just pick one. So we'll go with top 5 picks, and we'll open up the channel. So let's have a look at some of the videos, because I can guarantee, again, a lot of these videos here, I mean, look, mini fridges, laptops, workout headphones, etc. Let's scroll down here, look, popular uploads, top 5 Android boxes. So this one here, look, a lot of these videos, they're done taking images from the actual listings over on Amazon, and sometimes you can even get videos as well. So if we go back over onto Amazon, I'll share with you an actual example of. So we'll go and look at this laptop that we looked at earlier. So you see this image here. I can download this. I can download this one. I can basically download all of these here. Simply just download them. Once I've downloaded these videos, you can then put them in all together, basically in an online video editor. Now again, you can do this for free using this one over here. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Okay, so on this in video, they do have different price plans available, but you can go with the free one, and basically but what that does is it has a little watermark in the bottom right hand corner. You can barely see it, and it works perfect for these types of videos. Now there are different plans available for this. I think from memory it's about $15 a month, which in the grand scheme of things, it's not a lot of money. But on here you can see there's over 4,000 templates, and you can click on wide, which basically means for YouTube. You've also got square you've got square and vertical, so you can use this on Instagram Reels and TikTok and YouTube Shorts and other bits. But all we do is we come down here and we pick a template. But if you keep scrolling down the page here, you can see we've got intro and logo reveal. So this could be, at the beginning of your video. We've got actual video ads. We've also got, come further on the page here, you've got slideshows, business presentations. Look, there's lots more stuff on here. So video collages, webinar promos, quote videos, etc. So look, this is perfect. Product video ads. So we can literally select one of these, and bearing in mind they are templates. So let's just go with this one here. Okay. Scroll down here and we'll click on use this template. Now bearing in mind it is a template, so you can edit and amend any part of this that you like, okay? So this here is currently the video, okay? But obviously you wouldn't want it just to be that. So over on the left hand side here, you can actually upload the images that you've downloaded from Amazon here. You can also upload videos as well. The other cool thing about this software is if we just click on video, for example, and we'll type in laptops, and then what happens is in a second it takes about 10 or 20 seconds to load up all of the videos related to our keyword up here. So it's laptop, and then you can just select any of these laptops that you want. So if I take this and I put this here into the timeline, add a scene. Look, you can click a blank scene or from template, so we'll just click add a blank scene. Yes, so that is in there now, and then I just take this here and I place that onto there. Okay, and you can edit this, you can use the full video, you can trim it down if you want to. But let's just click on trim video to fit scene, and we'll click on done. Okay, and then you see this text here, you can amend this, so you can say check links in description. And basically, this is the process. You would just go ahead and upload your images or your videos, and you'd put some text over the top. Once you're happy with this, you click on download and share, and then you take this video from here and you upload that onto YouTube, including your affiliate link from Amazon. It's that simple. Now, in today's video, we've looked at two different methods. We've looked at creating videos and uploading them. We also looked at, creating simple blogs and websites to upload them. Both of them are awesome. Well, they're not awesome. They're great ways to make money with affiliate marketing. The only reason why I don't focus too much time on Amazon affiliate marketing is purely because of the commissions that you can earn. As we saw, we're looking around the 2 to 5% mark, and if we're very lucky, we can push this up to 10%. Now, I do affiliate marketing in a number of ways, and if you want more resources, just come over to my blog, click on affiliate marketing. You can go ahead and have a look at, I've got case studies on here where I share everything. I've got free affiliate marketing courses and lots more inside of here. But overall, this is how we make money with Amazon affiliate marketing with no money, essentially. So both methods that we've looked at today, you can start them absolutely for free. All of the links are down below for you. So if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.